Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your favorite Ramsey and I'm back again with another vlog. I literally posted yesterday and I was supposed to start like a whole weekend vlog because this was really a reset weekend for me. I did a lot of stuff. Next week is going to be, in fact, every week is hectic in this school. I just want to give you guys a glimpse of what my week in school looks like. This week we have convocation, trade fair, like a lot of fun stuff coming up, and I knew it would be a big error to not film. I'm going to show you guys whatever it is that happened this week. I know my last vlog was like there were a lot of lapses because there were things I forgot to cover, things I forgot to record, and I'm really going to do my best to record all of those things this time. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and comment on this video what you think you want to see next, and I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Hi guys, good morning. So like I said yesterday, today is the PhD pudding and some of my classes were cancelled, thank God, because I actually slept by almost 4 or by 4 because I was reading and like completing my notes and all of that. There is also a trade fair, alumni trade fair happening in school, so my friends and I are going. You guys are going to see them, see whatever we're doing today. I'll bring you guys along, and then yeah, let's get ready. Hi guys, so I don't know if I told you anything. The trade fair was really fun. I'm sure you saw clips of it. We came back to hostel and we literally slept throughout. We're getting ready, or we were getting ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the convocation. Good night guys.
It's convocation day.
out for my girls, guys. It's my undergraduate tag. Today, not today.
What's up on the time? When I just try, when I drop the song, I go need to dance. But I couldn't get it to do my plans. Then I find the sound, I'm on the sound. I don't get the name, I don't sing the sound. Sound, just I'm on the sound. I want the precise.
First to meet my girl.
Like it's so, like oh god, I'm
It's
so
not
happy for
easy.
them. I'm so happy for
Congratulations to all the convocating students. We are next to today is a crying day.
Since 3 days ago, be crying day for all of us.
The day after convocation, it's been a lot though. Yesterday we're so tired, came back. I have a lot to do next week. I have mini jury test, so it's about to be like lock-in season. Like that's like the update so far. So I'm just going to start reading now, and I'll let you guys know whatever comes up.
For my city gone. You know be run from who you are, man. Waiting go be man, it's cast the stone. But do well long power sandu. But why they titi mo de sham you? I do well long to come yo. Kale ma jon, kale she kale ma yo. Oh you alone. My mama leave me, yeah, you know long. Lost myself and I found my purpose. Yeah, every day I know that I am blind. So nice because you love me. Yeah, they can do me. Nothing man no face, vibe to pay. These kind of things in our life.
It's been a lot, honestly. Like I'm lacking sleep, lacking food, most importantly, and I don't know when I'm going to have time to edit this vlog, and I keep adding things to it. Today is Ibinye's birthday. She doesn't know this yet, but her parents are coming today, and we have like this plan to surprise her. She has been wondering like why hasn't her mom texted, why hasn't her mom called. You guys get intentional friends to pick up her gift from the gate, guys. Okay.
Take a look inside your heart. Is there any room for me? I won't have to hold my breath till you get down on one knee. Because you only want to hold me when I'm looking good enough. Did you ever fool me? Would you ever picture us? Every time I pull my hair up, it's only out of fear. You'll find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Cause what's the point of crying? It was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are weird. Good boys are weird. He doesn't see ya. You're not thinking of me, boy. Good boys are weird. Good boys are weird. He doesn't see ya. You're not thinking of me, boy.
So yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and make sure to comment, share and subscribe as usual. Love you guys. Mwah.